Hi, in this video we're going to talk about what is affiliate marketing and how to start with it. Hi, my name is Daniel P. Robertson and I want to start out by sharing a little bit about what's been going on with this channel. So basically, about a year ago I started a 120-day YouTube video marketing challenge, and I didn't finish this challenge. I didn't succeed in creating 120 videos in 120 days, but I did learn a lot through the whole process. But that challenge ended up being cut short because of some different things that went on in my life. I actually took a break from the internet for several months, and so a while ago I got back onto the internet. So I was only using the internet for like searching for a new job when I lost my job that I had, and for like paying bills and for some basic stuff like that. But I took a break from the internet for the most part for several months, and then I just recently started to get back more into the internet again after all that happened. So I've been wanting to restart this channel, and it's just been kind of a challenge for me because, as you may know, there's a lot of resistance that a lot of people have to doing the work. You know, you have this dream of what you want to accomplish, this goal, like for me building an affiliate marketing business. So you have this big goal of what you want to accomplish, but you tend to get into this funk where it's hard to actually do the things that you know you need to do to make it happen, right? I mean, has anyone experienced this? Has anyone had this, this resistance, as Stephen Pressfield calls it in The War of Art? It's this resistance where you know what you need to do, but you resist doing it, you procrastinate, you come up with 100 different reasons of why not to do it, and really it all boils down to fear and self-doubt. So that's kind of part of what I want to talk about here in this video too. So affiliate marketing, if you don't know, is basically if you've ever had a job where you could earn a bonus if you get somebody else to apply for the job and they get hired, or if you've ever had a credit card where you can earn bonus miles or bonus points or bonus cash back by referring somebody to apply for that credit card. Well, then that's basically what affiliate marketing is. It's just a way of earning a bonus, a commission, by referring people to different products. And so how to start with it is, well, just like what I'm doing here with YouTube. See, affiliate marketing, a lot of people don't understand that it's really about finding people who have a problem and helping them solve their problems. And that's basically what it is. Like learning how to start a business online. If you want to figure that out, then my goal is to teach you how to do that by showing you what I'm doing as I'm doing it. Like learning along with me as I'm doing this thing. Now, I already know a lot about affiliate marketing just from years of studying it and learning about it. But again, that resistance it kept me from taking the consistent focused action that I knew I needed to be taking in order to get the results. See, I knew the steps, the basic steps, and the things I need to learn now, I can really only learn from experience, from actually doing. And it took me years. There's been years of this back and forth of I would start and then I would stop and then I would start again. I'd do a burst of activity and then I'd get discouraged and I'd stop again. And it's just restarting over and over again. So it's been taking me years to get to this point now where I'm ready to start another 120-day challenge and go all in on this again, on this process of creating content to help my audience. And that's how you can start with affiliate marketing too. Create content that answers questions that people in your audience have that will help them solve their problems, and also recommend products that can help them solve their problems. So your content can help them solve their problems, and the products that you're promoting can help them solve their problems. And you're earning a commission for any sales that you get on those products that you're recommending. So what I want to encourage you with this video, though, is that no matter how many times you've started and stopped, or thought of starting but never started, and researched and learned about affiliate marketing and search engine optimization and funnels and copywriting and all this other stuff, if you've learned and you've studied, but you haven't really taken action, I want you to start taking action. That's how to get started. And the best way is by creating content. You can do it here on YouTube. You can do it with a blog. You can do it on Facebook. However it is that you choose to do it, the way to get started, the way to get through that funk, the way to get through that overwhelm and that frustration and that funk that you get into, the way to get over that is to start taking action. And then the way to succeed is to keep taking action until you master the skills of creating videos, creating blog posts, creating Facebook posts, engaging people in a Facebook group, whatever that is. That's the process. Those are skills that you have to master if you want to be successful with this. But to master those skills, you have to start, and then you have to keep practicing. So that's all I have for today. If you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe to this channel if you want more videos like this.